Hi, today I will be speaking about this product. It's called melted powder and you can make your own jewelry with it. When you combine it with any kind of embossing powder. This is something like clear embossing powder, but it's a bit different because it is, how to say, very soft, fluffy. So it's different a bit, and it's really big bottle, and you can make tons of jewelry with it. So what you need, I'm holding here sorry, in my hand what I did. This is combination melted powder with metallic embossing powder, and this is combination with melted powder, some glitter embossing powder, and some opaque. When you have opaque embossing powder, it's a bit of, I don't know how to say, milkish, but it's beautiful. So you need melted powder, you need any of your favorite embossing powder, and molds. Molds should be flexible, so it means that it's moving, and heat resistance, because you'll be pouring hot melted powder into different shapes. I have here really different shapes. Some are from China. These turquoise are from Rayer is Germany firm. These ones are, I don't know which brand, but these is for making pendants for jewelry. These are for making beads, different kinds of beads. So it's absolutely up to you what you like, what you have by hand. I try to make bead, but it's not nice. I think for beads it's better to have resin, or yes, because these forms are for resin. They are also heat resistant. So I will use heart. This is important tool. It's just aluminum bowl. It's heat resist, so when you are heating it, it's not damaged. You need your heat tool, and you need some tweezers. This is important, and this is a safety recommendation. Always hold your bowl like this. Do not touch it. It's really hot, and it stays hot a bit. And last is this tool, or any kind of spoon which is metallic, white metallic, because all wow embossing powders are anti-static, and we couldn't use plastic spoons into embossing powders because we don't want to ruin the great job of chemists with anti-statics. So, and it's absolutely easy. There are two ways. You can melt melted powder and then embossing powder, or you can make it in one step. So how much? I usually absolutely don't know how much of powder I should use. Not too much, not to fill whole bowl, because you will be melting in like forever. So just try. I will be doing this heart, so I don't need much, but don't forget it will melt, so you need a bit. But this is really big bottle, and you can use it for many projects. I will clean my spoon a bit, and I will use new metallic copper ultra high embossing powder. You know, metallics for this technique are so awesome because they are making this kind of you see? Like marbling, yes, like marbling. It's really beautiful. So I will use 3 spoons of this and few spoons of. I will mix it and I will start to melt it. Again, I will not holding it in my hand. I'm using tweezers. And during melting, I will not speak. I will turn off. I will turn off my voice, and I will be back till it's melted. Always melt like this, because when you melt it like this, you will have powder like everywhere. So I'm done with melting, and now you always have to wait till it's really cold, and you see it's still moving. You can use any spatula if you have more than you want. I was showing you how it's moving and I made mistake. No worry, you can always use your heat tool, heat it again and repair mistake. You see how easy it is to use heat tool again and again and repair all mistakes. So now I have to wait. Here is a bit rest of my embossing powder. Oh, when it's melted, you can use spoon and mix it. The marbling effect is working the best if you do not touch it. Just let it do what it's. I will try the small one because the big heart needs. You see, I have heart and it's not shiny. I still need a bit of shine. No worry, I just heat it a bit. I'm working on a glass mat, so it's heat resist. I will wait here. I will see. I think I can remove. And again, lovely, lovely heart. I don't know why I have here a bit of mold. These cheap molds from eBay are not so perfect. So just a bit. This is already cold, so I can show you. It's really, really easy. From each mold you have got different shapes. Always when it's not shiny, just use a bit of heat And here is my heart. It's cold, I can touch it. I hope you can see it well. So this is melted powder. It's very easy, it's fun. You can combine really any kind of embossing powder with this melted powder. You can buy also these aluminium bowls by Wow, so you don't need to be worried and to shop somewhere. There are also some molds in a shop by Wow. And really, it's up to your fantasy what kind of powders you will mix. It's beautiful, it's fun, and I need to finish this jewelry. I will add some Czech glass bead because I'm from Czech Republic and there's quite a great factory for glass beads, and I think it's great. And these hearts I will use for some mixed media project, I think. So thank you for your time. I hope you like this tutorial and have a nice day.